Hello everyone. So today we are covering the topic from 11th standard, chapter number 4, subsidiary books. In this topic there are subtopics like subsidiary books, in which we have learned a purchase book, sales book, purchase return, sales return. After that there is a cash book, simple cash book, double cash book with bank column, and petty cash book. So today the topic will be going to taught to you will be cash book. Now first of all, what is the meaning of the cash book? So let's focus on our smart board. All cash and bank transactions are recorded in the cash book. First of all, he is saying that in cash book all the bank and cash transactions are recorded. The cash book has two sides, where the left hand is a receipt side and the right hand is a payment side. The most important point, the cash book has a two sides, where the left hand side is a receipt side and the right hand side is a payment side. After learning this point, after reading this point, let us assume that if you have received cash from someone, then you have to be recorded that transaction in the receipt side, that is the left hand side of the cash book. And if you do a payment to someone, it means your cash goes out, so you have to record in the credit side of the payment, credit side, which is payment side. When amount is received, details are recorded in the receipt side, and when payments are made, details are recorded on the payment side. Cash book, a journal, since it is a book of original entries, and it also ledgers, since it constitutes classified recording of all cash transactions in the form of ledger, and helps in finding out a cash book and balance at the end of particular accounting period. It means the cash book is very useful and it's the very oldest form of journal, and it also can be posting to the ledger in some form of entries. Thus, it can be said that cash books serve a dual purpose of journal as well as ledger. Thus, it can be said that cash book will be played two roles, that a journal as well as the ledger. So this is the meaning of the cash book. In simple words, in other words, or I can say in other words or simple words, you can also learn a cash book like cash book is a book of recording a transaction in which left hand side will be the receipt side and the credit side will be the payment side. Received is equals to receipt and paid is equals to the payment. Okay, moving forward to the format of simple cash book. So this is like the format of simple cash book. In the books of so and so company or so and so firm, simple cash book will be first column, that is the date column, most important, month, year end, date column. Receipt side, receipt number, ledger folio and amount. So this is the debit side, or you can say the left hand side of the cash book. Left hand side of the cash book. This first one is the date column, second one is the receipt column, third one receipt number, fourth ledger folio, and fifth one will be the amount, and it completes the left hand side, that is also called as the debit side of the simple cash book. Then starting from the right hand side, first column will be the similar, that is date, second will be the payments, and third voucher number, fourth ledger folio and amount. So this is the right hand side of the simple cash book, and it is also called as the credit side of the cash book. We can apply the rule of real account here. So first of all, let us assume that real accounts rule. In real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So similarly in simple cash book, the rule is followed, that debit side is a receipt side, where in your firm or in your business some cash is coming. Cash is a asset and asset is a real account, so we can apply the rule of real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So whenever in your business or in your firm cash comes in, it must be recorded in the debit side, that is a receipt side of the cash book. And in your firm, in your business, when you pay someone to cash, so or you expend or an expense on someone, that is like purchases or paid commission, paid interest, it must be recorded in the right hand side or the credit side of the cash book, because the rule is like debit what comes in, so what comes in your business, that will be recorded in the receipt side, and credit what goes out. It means if your cash is going out from the business, then it will be recorded in the payment side of the cash book. So this is the simple and easiest format of the cash book and the simplest form of the meaning of the cash book. So in this video we have learned the simple cash book. In upcoming videos we have to learn double column cash book. Thank you.